Your Egusi prepping skills is about to level up, guys. No capping. Let's get right into it. So, guys, today there's going to be a twist in the narrative. Eh? Instead of narrating the cooking experience, I'm going to be giving you guys hot gist about something that happened in my area recently. Okay, so the story goes like this. So there's this kind, God fearing, humble pastor called Pastor Shola. And Pastor Shola got married to a beautiful, godly sister called Sister Rita. So they got married and they started having children. They had the first child, they had the second child, and Sister Rita, Pastor Shola's wife, couldn't cope anymore. She said that the stress of managing the home alone was too much for her and that she needed a maid. So she told Pastor Shola that she needs a maid, someone to be helping her with the chores at home. And Pastor Shola said, no problem, anything for you. Get a maid, find a maid, get a maid. So Sister Rita went ahead to get a maid and brought the maid to the house. So the maid has been staying with them. Pastor Shola was even very nice and kind. Being who he is, he's a very nice and jovial man. He has been very kind to the maid. He has been sponsoring the maid through school. This everything he does to his children, he does same to the maid. Takes care of the maid, buy her nice things, send her to good school. She finished her primary school, secondary school, and they were just living like that happily as one big happy family. So after some years, K-leg go enter the matter. So Pastor Shoda came back from work one day early and the wife was in the bathroom. So messages kept entering the phone. They were just pings, WhatsApp pings, pings, pings. So Pastor Shola was like, who could be pinging, pinging, pinging? So he picked up the wife's phone and started checking the messages. Lo and behold, the messages were coming in from Sister Rita's elder sister. And the conversation was something in the lines of, it's been over 15 years now. That girl is in her final year in the university. When will you tell him? What if somebody comes to pay her bride price? Won't you sit in as her mother? What will you tell him? The earlier you open up and tell him, the better. It's been too long. You know, so the conversation was just like that. And Pastor Shola was like, what kind of messages is this? Coming from my wife's elder sister to my wife. What is she supposed to tell me? And he started reading back and back and back, only to discover that the so-called maid that he has been taking care of for over 15 years, that's even in her final year in the university now, is his wife's daughter. Pastor Shola was devastated at this discovery. If you were in Pastor Shola's shoes, tell me in the comment section what you would have done. Anyway, as for me, I'm going to give you the complete gist of what Pastor Shola did in the next episode of Life and Spice with Gift. Thank you for watching till the end. Whatever kept you, if it is the story or the egusi soup. So guys, if you're a newbie, please do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our yummy recipes and our hot gist, okay? And if you're an OG, you already know we have massive love for you over here. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end of the video, and see you in our next delicious episode of Life and Spice with Gifts. Bye for now. Ta-da!